Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable to show achievements on the Happy Color application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and if you want to check your achievements and if you want to display the achievements on your game and the screen, just go to the lower bar and click to the lower right corner the settings icon and click to the first section, the gameplay. Here you can find the first button, the show achievements. New, actually I use this function, but if you want to disable, click to the next white circle, and if you want to turn on, just click that, and if it will be turned yellow, this function will be enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.